So this is how it is shipped to you. It comes in this box right here, and inside the box, the vest will be in a little plastic bag, as you can see here. And inside the bag, the user guide and the vest. This is what the inside of the vest looks like. Mine just happens to be a medium, as you can see there. The little flap right here is a heating element. You can use it up or down, depending on where you would like your heated zone, either around your neck or at the base of your neck. It does feel very soft to the touch. It's a very nice soft fleece, so that feels really good. As you can see in the beginning of the video when I was wearing it, there's some nice, deep, generous pockets on both sides. If I was to, say, improve on anything, I would like to see zippers on the pockets, but not necessary, and they are really nice pockets. One of the only little drawbacks, as far as I'm concerned, if you don't already have a battery pack, they do not include a battery. So a battery is sold separately. I do believe it's $39.99. So please check the website for that. Where the battery goes is on the inside of the vest. There'll be a little zippered pocket. As you can see, the cord plugs right on in, and then you pop this right back in, zip it up, and you're ready to go. Having the battery in your pocket isn't really too noticeable. It's about the equivalent of carrying around a cell phone, so it's not too uncomfortable having the battery on the inside of your pocket, if you're wondering. After you plug in the battery, your vest will default to the warmest setting right there. And you can change that. There's different zones you can press. Blue is cooler, I think green is warm, and red is full power hot. So there are your settings right there, and you can adjust them according to your needs. To power off the vest, you'll just hit the button in the very center, and that will shut the vest off, and then disconnect the battery. So I've been wearing this vest for a couple of weeks, and I do want to just give you my final thoughts. I like it. It's warm. It does keep you warm. If I was to, say, improve a little bit maybe on this vest, I would like to see zippers. These pockets are nice and deep, but I think zippers would be a good addition. So maybe that's something to consider. And also, when you do get this vest, be aware that the battery is not included. So if you don't already have an existing battery pack, you're going to have to go out and get another battery, or get a battery for it. So I would like to actually see it sold with the battery, so it's operational right out of the bag. But guys, thank you for checking out this video. See you on the next one.